Hey guys, welcome again to another video. In this video, I'm just gonna share to you guys kung ano yung ginagamit kong cream for the past month. More than a month na actually. This is night cream. Ginagawa ko siyang part ng aking skincare routine for night. Lilinawin ko lang for night lang kasi wala siyang SPF or anything like that. So you can't use this as a day cream. This is a night cream and it's called sobrang cute ng name niya. It's called Love Me. So kung meron kayong crush or someone special, this would be a great gift. To give them hint, di ba? If they don't know. Or, yeah. So sabi dito, do you love me? Sa likod ng lalagyan. Well, let's focus there. Do you love me? Let's love me. Ito yung ano niya, itsura niya. This available sa Magic Potions. I'll have the link in the description box. And ano to? This is an ultimate facial cream. So what I do at night is first I wash my face with soap. Ang ginagamit ko ngayong soap is snail soap. I don't actually use any whitening soap pag sa face. Pag whitening soap, I usually use that sa body lang. Kasi ayoko nagbabalat-balat, ganyan. Kasi usually yung mga whitening soap for face, nakakabalat ng skin. So anyway, back to the cream. After ko mag-wash ng face, hindi na muna ako nag-toner or serum like that. Talagang ito lang yung ginamit ko kasi I wanna review this. So, I've been using it for a month. And i-add ko lang pala, no, this has 30 grams inside. And I've been using it for over a month. And sobrang ang dami pa niyang laman sa loob. Kasi, yun nga, isang pump lang is good for the face and the neck na. Siguro this, isang ganito will last 2 to 3 months. Sobrang tipid niya. And guys, this is 1,350 pesos sa Magic Potions. I'm gonna have their link sa description box. Check them out. Kung ano yung mga pinapromise niya nakasulat dyan. So, sabi, helps lighten skin. Iisa-isahin ko siya and then sasabayin ko na rin kung na-experience ko nga ba yun in 1 month. Helps lighten skin. Actually, I'm gonna show a before and after picture. Sobrang minimal lang difference. My skin looks brighter pagkagising sa umaga since I'm using this at night. Pero in terms of lightening, hindi ko masyadong napansin. Sa akin yun kasi iba-iba naman ang effect ng mga creams or supplements sa bawat tao, di ba? What's hiyang for me might not be hiyang for you, and what's hiyang to you what might not be hiyang or might not work for me. So, helps lighten skin. Sobrang minimal lang nakita ko. It brightens my skin though. Yung parang fresh ka sa umaga. Ganyan. Smoothen skin. Hindi ko rin masyadong napansin yun. Helps fight wrinkles. Yeah, this one, ito nakita ko talaga. It really did, tawag doon, parang na-minimize niya yung fine lines kasi ang dami ko ng wrinkles, especially sa eye area dahil hindi na ako bumabata. So yun, nakita ko talaga na it did fight wrinkles. Helps remove dark spots. I don't have any problems with dark spots, so I can't comment on that. Helps fight aging. Yes, tama po, it helps fight aging kasi parang bumata talaga yung skin ko. Visibly glowing skin, yes. Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, pagkagising ko sa umaga after kong maghilamos, parang ang brighter ng skin ko na nag-glow-glow siya. So yeah, totoo yun. Helps control acne. Totoo din po yun kasi minsan meron akong mga maliliit na pimples. And then, di ba naglalagay nga ako nito sa gabi? Paggising sa umaga, wala na. So yeah, talagang nakaka-fight nga siya ng in my case, pimple. Pero sabi dito, acne. So yun. Precaution nga lang, sabi niya dito, ang ano kasi nito, active ingredient is AHA. So, slight stinging effect may be felt due to the action of AHA. And sunburn alert. This product contains alpha hydroxy acid or AHA that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and particularly possibility of sunburn. Use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product for a week afterwards. Ang isa ko pang napansin dito, medyo nagre-redness, may redness effect siya sa akin. Siguro nga yun yung, hindi nyo mapapansin dito sa video kasi may powder ako ngayon and because of the lighting. Pero in person, yung ditong part, yan, medyo namula yung part kong yan dito. I'm gonna try to post a picture somewhere here. Medyo nakaka-redden, hindi naman redden, parang blush. So, if you guys are into that, fine. Pero for me kasi, I like my skin pale. So, anyway, yun nga. So, in fairness naman dito sa mga prenamis ng Love Me na Ultimate Facial Cream, most of them ay na-experience ko. Pero, kagaya ng sa dark spots, I cannot comment anything on that because I don't have problems with that. So, if you guys are interested in buying this product, by the way, papakita ko pala. Yeah, if you guys are interested in buying this product, it's available at Magic Potions. I'm gonna have the link in the description box. And pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano itsura niya. Sobrang gusto ko ng packaging niya kasi napaka-hygienic. It comes in pump like this. Yan. So, hindi nakakontaminate what's inside. So, you just pump. Konti lang ipapump ko usually, yung isang full pump is good for the face and the neck na. So, yan. Sana nagpo-focus. Ayan o. O, yan. Medyo violet yung, hindi medyo, violet talaga yung color niya. And, hindi siya oily sa skin, hindi siya heavy. When you apply it at night, diba may mga cream na sobrang ang heavy ng pakiramdam. This one, no. Ang light niya sa skin, na-absorb agad siya ng skin. Hindi ko siya lagay sa face ko ngayon kasi, like I said, I have powder on. And, ayan o, ang light niya. And, wala siyang anything na ibang heaviness na mafe-feel. Ayoko ng mga cream na gano'n, hindi ka makakatulog. With this one, sobrang light to the face. Natural lang. Wala akong mararamdaman. So, this is a great night moisturizer. Tapos may mga benefits pang makukuha. So, yeah, I'm gonna recommend this cream to you guys. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!